Hello, good morning students. I am Kanti sir for Mathematics in English Medium 10th Standard. We are already in lesson number 12 and exercise 12.2. We just started topics of sector, segment, arc, means part of the circle. Now, main formula frequently used is length of arc pi r theta upon 180, then area of minor sector pi r square theta upon 360. Okay, this is arc, this is sector. Okay, now segment. Segment is equal to nothing but a pi r square theta upon 360, means area of sector minus area of triangle, half into b into h. So these are the main formula which are used. But here instead of half bh, sometimes it is half r square. Or sometimes it is root 3 by 4 r square. When so if theta equal to 90, if theta equal to 60, okay, and if theta equal to 120, then okay, you understand? But area of sector remains same. So basic formula is area of sector minus area of triangle. But I directly written here formula of sector as well as triangle. Now, first of all, we just do our practice related to these two ones, 90 and 60 only. Okay. Then one example and one exercise sum is of 120. So we will do it later on, because in this lesson, this question, concept of trigonometry is used. Okay. Now you don't know trigonometry because we not studied that. Okay, so we will do it later on, not now. Okay, otherwise I will explain only required concept of trigonometry and that is solved. Okay, but right now just 90 and 60 related sums. Whenever area of segment is asked, we'll do first of all that only. Okay, so now look at question number 4. Okay, we already do number 3. Okay. Number 3 is given in homework. So now number 4, chord of a circle of radius 10 cm. So r equal to 10. So it is question number 3. Okay, and exercise number 12.2. Okay, now r is given. So write down r equal to 10 centimeter. Sorry, that is number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle. Right angle means theta equal to 90. Okay. If angle is subtended by chord or r, both are same. Can I say angle AOB? Angle AOB is subtended by RKB or chord AB. Both are equal here. Okay, so don't confuse by that. Here they have written chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle. So these are 10 and 10 centimeter and this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so it is subtended by chord or by r. Anyway, both are same thing. Okay, find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. So first of all, minor segment. Here theta equal to 90 given. So directly we can use this formula. Previously I told you can find area of segment by step by step also. How? First of all, area of sector, then area of triangle, then taking difference of both. Otherwise, second option is that if you want to find it within one step, then you can use this whole formula at a time, so that in a one step you can find the answer. So now I prefer to find that answer in a one step only. Okay, in a one step only. So write down this whole formula. Okay, they are very useful. Segments area. Okay, this is nothing but a area. Okay, that one is length. L for length, A for area. So now area of minor segment. Minor segment means, you understand, given angle we have to take. Okay, so is equal to, I try to find it in a single step only. Okay, so it becomes, now place all values. Pi equal to given 314 by 100. R is given 10 into 10. Instead of making square, we just write it twice. Theta is 90 and denominator 360. Now it is half 10 into 10. Okay. So you understand? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Theta is 90, so we can use this formula. Why? Because look here. Right angle triangle, half into base into height. So this is base and this is height. Okay, so I need one side is base, other side is height, and both sides are equal. So R into R square. Okay. So now just simplify. Both 0 got 90 into 4. So it left is 314 upon 4 minus 50. Okay. So it is 4 7s are 28. 3 left 34. 7 4s are 28. Okay. Now 14 minus 6. 7 8s are 56. 4. 4 5s are, sorry. 3 1 4 by 4. 1 minute. 4 7s are 28. 3 left 34. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 2 left. 4 5s are 20. So it is 78.5 minus 50.0. Okay. So it is 0 8 to 28.5 centimeter square, because measurements given in centimeter. Okay. So centimeters square. Okay, you understand? So this is the area of minor segment. Only first one we found. Just try to understand. Okay. Now I just going to remove all this formula. You want that you can write it down. Okay, because they are very useful. So area of minor segment is as, so actually it is found indirectly, not directly. So we have to find area of sector as well as area of triangle and then take different. Otherwise you can write here one extra formula and one also, area of minor sector minus area of triangle. Okay, then only you can write this formula. Okay. So just appropriate formula is used, values are placed and simplified. Now next one, area of major sector. In second sub question, area of major sector is asked. This formula is applicable. Okay, but major sector is asked, so we have to write 360 minus theta instead of theta. Okay, so now write down area of second one, major sector. Area of major sector equal to pi r square 360 minus theta upon 360. Just try to understand. Why? Reflex angle of given angle is written here. Why? Because area of minor sector is not asked. Area of major sector is asked, so we can write here reflex angle so that we can find this area. Okay? So now write down all value. Don't cancel out 360, that is wrong. Cannot be cancelled. Okay? Because it is within bracket. So 314 upon 100 into 10 into 10. Here is 360. Now 360 minus 90. Okay, in place of theta, 90 is written. Okay. Now just simplify them. and I first of all cancel all this 100, just 314 into 270, okay, upon 360. Now 27 and 36 are in table of 9. Table of 9. So 9 3s are 9 4s are. Okay. Now by 2 only this can be cancelled out. So 157 2. Okay. So whatever left 157 into 3 upon 2. Okay. So it is 7 3s are 21. 2, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 17, 1, 4 upon 2. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4, then 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 5. So 235.5. Again centimeter square or square centimeter, both are same. Okay. So understand both. Now area of measure sector, we use sectors formula area, but here reflex angle is used. Why? Because major body is there. If minor body was there, then we can use directly theta 90. Okay. In earlier sub question we use this one. Why? Theta equal to 90 given. So we can use area of segment directly also. Okay. So just understand calculation or calculated sums are there. And you have to choose appropriate formula also and understand first of all what is the given. Now next, detail number 5. Now I just remove this. If a circle of radius 21 centimeter and arc subtend an angle of 60 degree, find the length of the arc. Length of the arc, I just remove that, pi r theta upon 180. Okay, so everything is given, r given 21 and theta also given 60. Area of the sector formed by r. So minor sector only, if nothing is specified it is minor sector. So pi r square theta upon 360. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So there is pi r square theta. So in first one, this formula is used, pi r theta upon 180. In second one, pi r square theta upon 360. In third one, pi r square theta upon 360 minus root 3 by 4 r square. Why? Theta is given 60 here. That's why. And if you don't want to count this one again, then you can use directly value also from second answer there. Okay. So these are some questions 1, 2, 3. So now nothing is difficult, just to use formula, place value and find answer. Everything is there. Don't place root 3's value. Root 3 remains root 3 only. Okay. So these are the formula which can be used in 5 first, 5 second, 5 third. Okay, so this is in homework, question number 5. Okay, exercise number 12 point. Okay, so number 5, there are 3 sub questions are given and in homework. Now look at number 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtend an angle 60 degree at the center. Find the area of corresponding minor and major sector of the circle. Minor segment. In fourth questions first, we found that minor segment area. Here major segment also asked. Okay, and root 3's value is given. In this one, I say no need to place value of root 3 because there no value given. Root 3's value is not given. But in number 6, root 3 equal to 1.73 given. So in number 6, we have to place that value. Okay. So now, number 6. Here also I tried to find within one step area of minor segment. Okay. So first of all, appropriate formula and list what is given. First of all, r equal to 15 centimeter, theta equal to 60. Two measurements are given in bracket. Okay. Now area of minor segment, then major segment. So first of all, we have to find area of minor segment. Major segment directly cannot be asked. Okay. Theta is equal to 60. So can I use this formula? First of all, area of sector, minor sector, minus area of triangle. This is the formula in word. Now actually I know area of minor sector's formula is pi r square theta upon 360, and this is root 3 by 4 r square. This you have to understand. Why? Area of equilateral triangle. Suppose these are all given L, L, L. Then you can find by Pythagoras formula. This is median as well as altitude. Actually, I am going in very deep, so just try to understand where from this formula came. If you want to know, then only. Otherwise, you can remember without understanding also. But try to understand here. This is altitude and this is base. Okay. Suppose ABC triangle D. AD is median as well as altitude. Why? Because if two sides are equal, then altitude drawn from common vertex is median also. So AD is median as well as altitude. What is the meaning of median and altitude? Median means it divides the opposite segment into two equal parts. And what is the means of altitude? Altitude means line segment making right angle here. So this is in double bond. AD. AD is a median as well as altitude. So can I see here L by 2? Why? Because total is L, 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 equilateral triangle. So now using Pythagoras you can find L. Using Pythagoras you can find L. So now AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. I just using Pythagoras formula in left side triangle. Okay. So AB square is equal to L square. AD square equal to L by 2 square. L by 2 square. And BD square is equal to L square. That we want to find it. Okay. Now it is L square. Now this will be L square upon 4. I just shifting it here. L square upon 4. Okay. I make square and shift it here. So it becomes 4 1 is 4L square minus, so 3L square upon 4. But we want h, not h square. So take root. So root 3 by 2 L equal to h. This is the altitude we got. Okay, altitude we got. But actually we want area. So area is equal to half into base into height. Height we already obtained. L is previously given L. Okay, so half into L into root 3 by 2 L. Root 3 by 2 L we found here by Pythagoras formula. Okay, so it becomes root 3 by 4 L square. So that is the derivation of this formula. Here, length of the equilateral triangle is R, radius itself. So I have written R. Now, why it is equilateral triangle? That we also discussed yesterday. Okay, if you say that here 60 angle is formed and two sides are equal because they are R, then two angles are also equal. So remaining is 120. 120 is half, 60 here. So all angles are equal. So all sides are also equal. So why it is equilateral triangle? And where from equilateral triangles formula came? That we also derive. Okay. So if you understand, then you can derive it this way. Otherwise, just learn it. Okay. Formula of equilateral triangle. Now place some values. So it is pi's value given 314 upon 100 into 15 into 15 into 60 upon 360 minus root 3. But root 3's value is given 1.73. Okay, now I just remove this. 1.73, but instead of 1.73 I am writing 173 by 100 means point is removed. R 15, 50, and this is 4 time. Okay, so instead of 1.73 I just remove points. Now just simplify it. Okay, first of all it is 60 into 6. Okay, now somewhat it can be cancelled by 3. 3 2s are 3 5. Okay, now 2 into 157. Now don't disturb 100. 100 is useful here. Whenever there is a 10, 100, 1000 in the denominator, it is not expected to cancel it. If whole number is cancelled, then no problem. But don't make here 520s are like this. Okay, just 157 into 5 into 15 upon 100. 157, 5, 50, 100. Now here is what is left. Now nothing is cancelled. Nothing is cancelled there. By 5 we cannot going to cancel it. Okay. Why? Because 100 is useful here. Even then here is 4. So if you want to cut this way, 5 3s or 520, then it will be somewhat useful. Okay. Otherwise you can just keep as it is. 50. Okay, no problem. So now 173 into 225 upon 4. Okay. Now either you can take LCM, otherwise just find both ones and take difference. Okay. So first of all, understand this. 15 5 is 75. So 157 into 75. 0. 7 7s are 49. 4 7 5s are 35 plus 4 39 3. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. Again 7 7s are 49. 4 7 5s are 35 plus 4 39. 3 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. Now 5 7 5s are 35. 3 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28 2 7. Okay. So again 5 7s are 35, 3 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28, 7 8 5. Now it becomes 5 9 plus 8 17 1 and 17 1. So it becomes 117.75 minus. Okay, I just simplify it. Okay, now same way simplify there also. Okay. So there 225 173225. Okay. So first of all 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14 and 2 1s are 2 3 4 6 0. Now 5 3s are 15, 1 7 5s are 35 36 3 8 8 6 5. Okay. 173 into again 5 3s are 15, 1 7 5s are 35 36 3 8. So it becomes 5 12 1 6 plus 4 10 plus 18 119 1 7 8 3. But divide by 400. Okay. So we just divide it by 400 also. Otherwise by 4 first of all. By 4 only. 3 8 9 25 by 4 only. Then we will divide by 100 orally. So it is 4 9s are 36. 2 left. 29. 4 7s are 28. 1. 4 3s are 12. 5. 4 1s are 2. 1. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20 again. 4 9s are 36. 2. 4 7s are 28. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. Okay. So it is actually 9731.25, but still we have to divide by 100. Why? Because we just divide by 4. Okay. So it will be 97.31. 97.31 like this. Okay. Now just because so many digits are not required after decimal. Okay. So Now just take difference 117.3197.31 okay, 9 plus 2 11, so 220.44. How much it is? Square centimeter. This is the area of minor segment only, not major segment. Okay, so understand first of all, this is the area of minor segment. Okay, now they are asking major segment also, area of major segment also. So how to find? Very simple. If you found this ones, then how to find this part? Out of total area of circle, remove this part. So you can get area of major segment. Okay, so understand first of all, again area of minor segment. Actually no part are given, but just suppose this is the first sub question. Okay, so area of minor segment formula is written. Why this is? Because theta equal to 60. Now values are placed. I just simplified and I got 20.44. Okay, now how to find area of major segment? Okay, so let's see. Area of circle minus area of segment. Okay, so area of major segment is equal to, here no direct formula. Area of major segment can be found by finding area of minor segment only. In earlier question number 4, we found area of major sector directly, but major segment cannot be found directly. Understand? You have to go through minor segment, then only major segment. But in sector we can find direct major sector also. Okay, you understand? So major segment is there. You have to write this way, pi r square minus area of minor segment. So that must be used. So you should find first of all minor segment, then only major segment. Okay. So now find pi r square. So it is 314 upon 100 into 15 into 50 minus 20.40. Now just multiply it. So it is 225, 314, 225. Okay. I think just we found it, but again I am going to that. First of all, 62800, 62800, 5 was 22, 7, 15, 157, 15, 1, 10, 15, 16, 1, 6 plus 2, 8, plus 2, 10, 7. Okay? And divide by 100. So it is 706.50 minus 22.40. Okay? So 706.50, 22.44, so it is 6. Okay, 4 and 68. So 684.06 square centimeter or centimeter square, whatever. Okay. So these are the required answer. Area of minor segment, area of major segment. Okay. So just understand and remember our formula. Area of major segment, first time we found it. How to find? Indirectly. Area of minor segment you know how to find. 3 formulas I have given. Okay, according to it. Now after finding minor segment, you can find major segment indirectly from total area. Total area means pi r square. Remove minor part, so automatically major part can be found. You understand? Okay. Now 7 I told you it is nothing but 120 So for time being, we are not doing 120 related sums right now because minus segment is asked and 120 angle is there. So we temporarily just skip it. Okay. So up to this number, 6 number only we do in today's lecture. And I have given only one sum, but 3 sub questions are given in question number 5. Okay, so 1 or 3, whatever you think, that is in homework. Okay, again I tell you question number 5, exercise 12.2 in homework.